Looking for activities to do in the CBD of Perth? Consider adding a trip to Elizabeth Quay to your list of sights to see. Situated next to the city centre and the Swan River, this newly developed pedestrian area by the waterfront is a popular destination for nightlife in Perth. If you're feeling hungry, there are plenty of dining options available, ranging from gourmet burgers and pizza to delicious seafood specialties. The lively atmosphere is enhanced by live music performances. Bringing your kids along, they'll have a great time riding the antique carousel, indulging in tangy gelato, and playing around the fountains at the BHB Water Park. At night, the fountains illuminate with a vibrant display of colors. Additionally, there is a maritime-themed playground where kids can jump, climb, and explore. Elizabeth Quay is also a wonderful place for a romantic stroll along the water. The public art walk features outdoor sculptures and art illustrations, and you will come across the rocket-shaped bell tower as well. Along the way, you will be treated to beautiful views of the city skyline and the ferry boats navigating the Swan River. Don't forget to subscribe 10 Minute Travel and turn on the notification bell so you can get our new videos.